Congratulations on getting this far in the video series. You're probably already building your own mobile game. Fantastic. In previous video, we have a single character, a girl that's moving up and down the screen, and she has animation, meaning that her body and the parachute appear to be fluttering in the wind. We're going to add a second character. In the video series earlier, we added a single PNG image. It's just a static single image into the assets directory. Just to recap, the girl is simply a set of 9 animation frames. A frame is simply a PNG image. So we just run it through a loop to give her the motion. If you're following this video tutorial in sequence, we are at this level, sprite animation in Flutter with Flame. There's other videos here that cover single points for people that are more advanced in game development. However, if you want to follow it step by step, go through this video series up until sprite animation in Flutter. That's where you'll get the girl that's dropping down. Our objective today is simply to get this boy onto the screen. We're not going to add collision detection yet. We're just going to get a secondary character onto the screen. It'll be non-animated. I'm going to change it from girl to a boy. At the top here, we had the sprite component. It's not a sprite animation component, it's a sprite component. So right here, I'm changing it to boy. I'm also going to change this to boy. It's the same variable name on 21 and line 12 here. This is a sprite component. It's part of Flame. And then we're going to load the graphic file. The file name is right here. It's boy.png. Boy. And we'll keep the size at 100 pixels by 100 pixels. I'm going to put them lower so the girl can eventually hit him. Let's put it at 700 for now. And to add the actual sprite is simply add. This is keyword in Flame. And it's the name of the sprite component. It's here. Right now I have the file name very similar to the sprite component name, boy.png. But this boy refers to the variable up here, which is sprite component boy. Let's reload it and see what happens. So I think the boy was off the screen when it was 700. Yeah, probably have to, for this phone, put him at 600. And to make him more visible, I'll make him 200. Otherwise, the girl will look too big. So he's purposely big, so you can more easily see what's going to happen here. The girl will drop down, will collide with the boy. Congratulations, you have a working game. I'm sure your imagination is going right now and you're thinking about adding trees, and we'll get there. This code is right now it's all in one file. We're going to break it up into separate files in the next video. We're going to need this step because we have to break out the individual characters into different classes. A class is pretty simple. It's just putting the word class in front of it. And we'll show you how to do that in the next video. Once we break it down into different classes, we're going to be able to add a mixin. A mixin is just a piece of code that adds some functionality to a class. And that mixin is going to be collidable. Once we add collidable, we can trigger an action to take place when these two things collide. It's going to be a lot of fun. So subscribe to the channel so you get an update of when we make that next video. And give it a like. If you like it, I'll see the comments or the interaction, and I'll make more videos like this. And congratulations again on becoming a mobile game developer with the power of Flame.